Okay, so Media Center is now setting up for the first time on this device. I entered the code on the Media Center PC. This looks slightly different to the other devices I've used, nice and clear. Okay, so here we are in Media Center, very familiar. Let's see what the transitions are like. Very similar to the other extenders I've used. It's not as smooth as the Xbox 360, but it's responsive. So if I go into recorded TV now, right, so let's have a look at playback now. I'm going to pick, here we are, an episode from Doctor 2. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so there we are, some TV playing there. See, it's a great picture. I can pause it, zoom it, go back to Media Center. So we've got the usual Media Center experience. Right, so let's have a look at the MediaSmart Connect's own software aside from Media Center. So I hit the media key on the remote, and that takes us into the MediaSmart's own user interface and setup. So as well as the setup and different things, we've got different ways of accessing content. So we've got portable media drive, USB. We can flick between servers, so that means that rather than having the one-to-one pairing with the Media Center and a PC, on this you can choose which server, so it'll pull content from different servers, so you could have a laptop, a home server, Media Center PC, so on. We can launch Media Center, look at videos, photos, music, online media, and we've also got the settings. Let's have a quick look at the settings. We can set network, so currently we're on a wired network. We can change to wireless and so on. We can change the language. Okay, let's have a look at those. English, Spanish and French. We can choose our Media Center DivX registration code. Okay, so it looks like you can create a DivX account. So we'll find out more on a future video, I think. Slideshow options, TV resolution. We've got 1080 or 720p. I'm using HDMI now. I'm not sure what the settings will be on other connections. I guess you can go through the usual setup. We've got video, servers, online media. We can set online the proxy servers if online media is the online content, which I can't show you from this video today because this is the content US only. Right, so let's start off by looking at the servers. So on the servers we can now see the different types of servers available. So the digital one there is a laptop. We've got an orb session that's got some content on it, TV content on it. We've got a Media Center PC and a Windows home server, which I haven't authorized this machine to go onto yet. So it's just the ones that are lit up are the ones that are authorized. So let's have a look at the content on my laptop, and through here now I can browse through different content. So let's go back. Let's take a look at pictures now. So let's go to photos. All photos, we can have a look at date taken, keywords and things. So let's look at date taken. And some photos taken in June. Let's see what these are. Take a risk. Hit slideshow. Good. I'm not sure what it's going to be. Hopefully it will be something like the HP event that I went to a couple of weeks ago. Oh yeah, and there's Terry Walsh from we'vegotserved.co.uk. So there's my slideshow, and there's me as well taking a bit of oxygen at the event. So I can use pictures doing this way. I can go through by dates, or I can just do a slideshow of all June by hitting the red button, or all pictures, and so on. We can do it by folders, we can do playlists. So let's look at the photo section. I'm going to keep this nice and snappy. Let's